Hey, is that a bird? Is it a plane? Hey, but they black. Greater than a superhero, yeah, I'm about to take off. I'm a prince from royalty, fly with my cape off. And yeah, I got my power from the king. I'm keeping commandments and I'm staying clean. And really the greatest that you ever seen. It ain't no mistake, y'all. Hey, greater than a superhero, yeah, I'm about to take off. I'm a prince from royalty, fly with my cape off. And yeah, I got my power from the king.
So right now I'm installing a 9 drive. Just ordered it, comes in a box like this. This is the 9 drive. I seen a lot of good reviews on it, so I'm gonna do an install. So I want to compare it to like a pedal box and a pedal commander, but a lot of people have been saying that this is better. I mean, not better, but it's the same stuff. Like, you just paying the $200 for the same stuff. So I'm gonna definitely, right now I'm just showing y'all the install. I'm gonna upload this video Sunday. So Sunday of this week, which is like, it goes into like next month, which is like February 1st, maybe 2nd or whatever. But I'm gonna do some flybys with it in normal, and then some flybys with it in sport mode. And then I'm gonna show y'all the dashboard, how the numbers, and how to, you know what I mean, my not 0 to 60, but to show y'all how fast the numbers is going up compared to the normal. But right now I'm putting it in. I just want to show y'all the quick install real quick. So the harness right here, should have showed y'all that part. But you just move this little tab in your Dodge Charger. You only have this tab and this tab right there. Pretty simple. That tab goes to this one right here, and then the other one is on this one right there. That's pretty much it. You pull it down. You can pull it all the way off if you want to. I just got it right here. And then that's pretty much it. You connect the harness. So you have two different harnesses. One connects to the accelerator pedal, and then one connects to the actual harness that comes to the actual harness that clips onto the accelerator pedal. It goes to that OEM one. But you see that I have the aftermarket one or whatever. It's two different little clips. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and that's pretty much it. It's connected by like a what is it called? Like an iPhone little cable. So go ahead and loosen that. Thing comes with a adhesive on the back, so you can like put it like right here where your little lights are at, or obviously wherever you want to put it at. Probably gonna put it on this side, or keep it up on here. But let's just try to see something real quick. See, it comes with instructions. But let's go ahead and plug this right here in. My bad, y'all, ain't got my tripod. So I'm winging it with my finger. I do have my tripod, but I'm not finna plug it in. So yeah, you just connect that. It's like an iPhone little cable. And that's pretty much it. And pretty much mount it up, and then you're good to go. But so it has like 3 different modes. You have comfortable mode, sport mode, and you have racing mode, and you have a fuel efficient mode. And it goes 1 through 9 drive. I didn't even see that part of it. Okay. So once again, installation, it's pretty simple. Shows you on the page or whatever. It's pretty much it. So it does work. It does cut on. Why is it's lagging like that? So that's the highest mode. So you got eco mode. And then you can tap up to a higher eco mode. I think you go all the way to 9. Yep, 9 drive. So that's eco 9. Probably gives you, I mean, the best fuel economy, but you kind of got a little bit more power to it. And then you got normal mode. Doesn't do anything. Normal mode. It's just stock, pretty much. You got P13, which is comfortable mode. So a little bit, you can get up and go on that one. All the way to 9, clearly, all the way to 9. And then you got sport mode, so P26 all the way to P29. And then you also have P9. I got that turned all the way up, but you got it all the way. I didn't know you can turn it down all the way like that. Okay, so go all the way to 9. So 3.9 is the highest setting that you can go to. And this is the racing mode, so you're going to feel all the performance out of it. But other than that, that's it. You have no, if you read the instructions, there's nothing else that you do. No, nothing like the pedal commander. Not the pedal commander, like I think Hemi Life 44 got that pedal box, which is like a German little thing. But you don't have to do anything else. It pretty much, I mean, that's pretty much it. When you get the instructions, I mean, I don't see anything else that needs to go into it. I just gave y'all some flybys with it. The takeoff doesn't look different, but the last takeoff that I did, it looks a little bit different. That's in the 3.9, which is the racing mode. It looks a little bit different. And then like on the way back, I was switching the settings. So like when I was in normal, my first setting was in normal, and then on the way turning around, I changed it to plus sport mode 1.9, so all the way to 9. All I'm doing was testing the 9. So we about to take a drive. And also, while doing this video, the flybys, my tires are like gone. My front tires are like gone. I thought my brakes went bad, but my tires are like bald now. So this thing does make a difference. It really does make a difference. So we about to take a drive. We're gonna take a drive in normal mode. Cause I showed y'all the flyby. I want to show y'all the difference. I can put my glasses on. Shit, I can't see nothing. See, notice on here, this is normal mode. If y'all can see it on my thing, I put it in a weird position. I gotta change it whenever I get done making this video. But you see it's not redlining. So let me slow down. It's on normal mode, so let's go to normal. Let's just slow down, let's turn around. So I can slow all the way down. So right now it's in Sport Plus 1.9. So I'm at 20 miles. See, watching shit red line all the way damn near the 6. Yep. On normal mode, on the stock mode, it doesn't do that at all, man. It don't. It doesn't nowhere near do that. And the 0 to 60 is a lot faster. The 0 to 60 is a lot faster. There ain't no lag in this thing at all, bruh. There ain't no lag in this thing. Let's turn back around real quick. So let's put it into +2. Because you might not see a difference in the flyby, so this is why I wanted to do both. So I'm at 4 miles per hour right now. So let's go. It kicks me back in my seat. It redlines all the way to 6. Every time. It does waste a little bit more gas, but not too much on the V6. Unless you constantly tapping the gas. But when you're driving this thing, it really don't switch gears like that. Once it get into that second gear, it pretty much stays in that gear unless it kind of sometimes it'll recognize that you're not going to press on the pedal, so it'll change it to that 3rd or 4th gear. But let's do one more roll, and then I'm gonna show y'all my reaction of it, man. This thing right here is crazy as hell, boy. This thing makes a difference. I'm not sure the pedal box and all that stuff does the same thing. It probably does from what I've seen. So I got it in 3.9 now. So let's slow down a little bit. 25. This thing would kick your ass, boy. It really pushes you back in your seat, bro. See how I just did that? Look, I'm at 60 right now, right? It just picks right the fuck back up. There ain't no lag to it. No lag. I would definitely recommend this. Honestly and sadly, I would recommend this in the 2015s and up. I would definitely recommend this in the 2015s and up SXT. Instead of getting a RT, I would damn sure get a V6. Stay with the V6 because this really opens everything up. Obviously, it doesn't have that rumble that the V8 has, but still, man, this thing really makes a difference. So I'm just gonna show y'all my reaction of it, man. Damn, even when you push it back, like when I pull into my garage, I gotta literally, I have to for real. So I have to, when I pull into my driveway, I literally have to, what is it called? I for real have to put my shit in normal because when you tap on the gas on here, that's it. You just tap on the gas. There's a complete difference from tapping on the gas than tapping it on gas in the 3-point in the sport mode and then tapping it on the gas in normal mode. Like if I tap on the gas on sport mode, I have to literally like barely even push the pedal. On normal mode, on the normal mode, I actually have to press the pedal. So it's a complete difference. Obviously this thing doesn't give you horsepower, but it unleashes and unlocks all your horsepower that you're supposed to have. So that 292 horsepower, I always thought it felt like it didn't have that, but it actually does. Like it opens it up completely, like everything. Now, like I say again, with that 8-speed transmission, this will cause havoc on the road, bro. I wouldn't even consider getting the RT if I had this in my V6. Like this thing, especially if you mod your V6, man, you're gonna get 300 plus horsepower or whatever, but not to the wheels, but obviously just to the crank. But still, who knows? On the dyno, I watched a video that somebody did on a dyno with a non-drive. It actually gave them more wheel horsepower. So instead of like I think this car gets like 280 or 270 wheel horsepower. But it was like a different car, but I'm just showing y'all that it does make a difference. It doesn't add horsepower, it just unlocks everything that you're supposed to have on that throttle. So I'm finna show y'all my reaction to this thing. Hopefully y'all can see me showing my face. So just for this one, for my reaction, I'm just gonna keep it in Sport Plus mode. Plus 399, show y'all it's in Sport 399. That's the highest setting. So I'm just gonna show y'all that, man. This thing ripped, bro. And this is just a 5-speed, bro. I mean, that's just completely more. It's not more horsepower, just man, that it feels like it adds torque and more horsepower to it. It really gets the fuck up and go because it redlines all the way to 6. As you see in the normal mode, it stops at like 4 or 5. This motherfucker redlines to 6 on the first gear. So man, I'm about to turn around and end the video on y'all, but that's pretty much it. I'm finna damn sure order some more tires when I get home. See. So let's get all the way up to 60. 60 miles per hour. Kicks right back in, bro. So I know my camera's wiggling, I'm holding it with my one hand, but that's the end of the video, man. Let me know what y'all think about the video, bro. This shit kicks you back in your seat, especially if you got that 8-speed. It's gonna kick you back in your seat. That's the end of the video. This is a review on the non-drive, man. Let me know what y'all think. Once again, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. It's your brother Mighty Prophet, 144K, and I'm out, man. Peace. Hey, I forgot to mention, man, this thing only costs $58 $58, bro. $58. Because I was going to order a pedal box, but I was like, man, I don't really know. That's kind of... I have the money for it, but I'm like, it's kind of steep just for it to open up the throttle thing, because I was going to get a taser and to see what they was going to do. But I was like, you know what? I see better reviews off of the pedal boxes and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying? I just went ahead and I was like, you know what? Let me look at something different, because this shit kind of too expensive. And I'm a cheap person. I'm gonna be honest. I'm a cheap person. I don't like spending too much money on things if I don't have to. But this thing right here, bro, that fucking 9 drive right here, bro, it's the shit, bro. It is what it is. It has good reviews on it and everything like that, though. So I haven't seen bad reviews on it. This thing is the shit. I give it thing that. So if you plan on spending like $200 on a pedal box or a pedal commander, no, don't do that. Get this thing, bro. You can also get it on Amazon. You can prime it and get it tomorrow or some shit. But yeah, once again, I got it off eBay. It came in literally 3 days. So once again, that's it, man. Make sure you like, subscribe to the video once again, man. It's your brother Mike Prophet 1.4K.